Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 25 August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. I want to inform you that along with today's current affairs, I will discuss the most important current affairs of last 2 days also. Due to the veteran festival of Western Odisha, Nuakhai is celebrated in last 2 days. So I can't upload the current affairs of 23 and 24 August. So we will discuss this most important current affairs of 23 and 24 August in this session also. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous question. Our first question was, who has released stamps on UNESCO World Heritage Site in India? India Post, Indian Railway, Health Ministry, none of these. The correct answer here is India Post. Option A is correct here. India Post has released a set of 5 commemorative postage stamp and a miniature set on UNESCO World Heritage Site in India. Okay. Our second question was, who launched official logo of Labor Bureau? Amit Shah, Santosh Gangwar, Shaktikant Das. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Santosh Kumar Gangwar. Okay, the Santosh Kumar Gangwar, the Minister of the State for Labor and Employment, has launched the official logo of the Labor Bureau. Okay, and for your information, I inform you that it displays 3 goals that Labor Bureau aspires achieve, such as accuracy, validity, and reliability. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, in which part of Odisha a harvesting festival named Nuakhai is observed? Western, Eastern, Northern, Southern. The correct answer here is option A, Western. In western part of Odisha, a harvesting festival named Nuakhai is observed. Okay, and the Nuakhai is observed in the next day after Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. You can see the tweet of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the auspicious or the famous festival of Nuakhai, congratulating the people of Western Odisha. Here you can see. Okay. Next question. Ashwini Bhatia became new managing director of which bank? SBI, PNB, SDFC, ICICI. The correct answer here is State Bank of India. Option B is correct here. Ashwini Bhatia recently appointed by Government of India as the new managing director of State Bank of India. Okay, State Bank of India or SBI is in news. SBI, the headquarter is Mumbai, and chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Rajneesh Kumar is the chairman of SBI. You can see the image of Ashwini Bhatia here. Okay, and the SBI is founded in 1st July 1955. On 1955, SBI is founded. Okay. Next question. India's longest river ropeway inaugurated in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Odisha, Goa. The correct answer here is Assam. Option B is correct here. The correct answer here is Assam. The longest river ropeway of India has been inaugurated in Assam. The ropeway is 1.8 kilometer. The ropeway is 1.8 kilometer long and connects Guwahati and northern Guwahati over Brahmaputra river. This ropeway is made upon on Brahmaputra river. Okay, you can see the image also here. Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Capital of Assam is Dispur. Sarbanand Sonowal is the Chief Minister of Assam, and Jagdish Mukhi is the Governor of Assam. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who is appointed as new election commissioner of India? Manoj Sinha, Ravish Kumar, Rajiv Kumar. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Rajiv Kumar. Option C is correct here. Rajiv Kumar has appointed as the new election commissioner of India. He will succeed Ashok Lavasa. As per you know, Ashok Lavasa recently resigned from election commissioner, and Rajiv Kumar become new election commissioner of India now. You can see the image of Rajiv Kumar also here. Okay. Next question. एक संकल्प बुजुर्गों के नाम कैंपेन स्टार्टेड इन हुई स्टेट? मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड. The correct answer here is Madhya Pradesh. Option A is correct here. Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, एक संकल्प बुजुर्गों के नाम कैंपेन लॉन्च्ड by Chhatarpur Police. By Chhatarpur Police of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is in news. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Madhya Pradesh now. Lalji Tandon, the former governor of Madhya Pradesh, passed away. So, President Ramnath Kovind appointed Anandiben Patel as the governor of Madhya Pradesh also. Okay. Next question. Which country partnered with Israel to resolve Bundelkhand water crisis? Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar. The correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Option B is correct here. Uttar Pradesh government has signed a plan of cooperation with Israel government to resolve water crisis in Bundelkhand. The Bundelkhand is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital, and Yogi Adityanath is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Anandiben Patel take over the charge of both Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and Israel is in news. The Prime Minister of Israel is now Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu is the Prime Minister of Israel. Okay. Question number 7. International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition is observed on 22 August, 23 August, 24 August, 25 August. The correct answer here is 23 August. Option B is correct here. 23 August. On 23 August, International Day of Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition is observed on 23 August. Previously the slave trade system is continuing, and it is to remember the abolition of the slave trade that in 23 August International Day for the remembrance of the slave trade and its abolition is observed. Okay. Question number 8. A book titled One Arranged Murder is authored by whom? R.K. Singh, Chetan Bhagat, N. Yadav. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Chetan Bhagat. Option B is correct here. Chetan, a book titled One Arranged Murder, authored by a famous writer, the very famous writer, you know, Chetan Bhagat. And it will be released on globally on September 28. In September 28, 2020, this book is going to be released. Okay, you can see the image of Chetan Bhagat here and the cover page of the book. The name of the book is One Arranged Murder. Okay. Which bank launched hiring initiate named Gig A Opportunities? Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, PNB. The correct answer here is Axis Bank. Option A is correct here. Axis Bank has launched a new initiative named Gig A Opportunity. What the meaning Gig A Opportunities? It is the name of the initiative, and the hiring model comprises two working patterns. It will provide two working patterns. One is temporary and one is permanent. One is full time and second is the temporary in nature. Okay, and Axis Bank is in news. The headquarters is situated in Mumbai, and CEO of Axis Bank is Amitabh Chaudhary. Amitabh Chaudhary is the CEO of Axis Bank. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has launched a Harit Path application to monitor plantation? Prakash Javadekar, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari. The correct answer here is Nitin Gadkari. Option D is correct here. You can see the image of Nitin Gadkari also here. Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, has launched a mobile application named Harit Path to monitor the plantation on highway. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Remember, the name of the application is Harit Path. Okay. An innovative features open API service introduced in which portal? Arogya Setu, Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart. The correct answer here is option A, Arogya Setu. You can see also the logo of Arogya Setu here. Arogya Setu launched an innovative features open API service to help the people in business and the economy. Okay, to help the people, business and in the economy. Okay, a open API features or the service is launched. Okay, and the Arogya Setu is launched by Government of India to control and to inform the information regarding coronavirus or the COVID-19. Question number 12. Tribes India showroom has been inaugurated by whom? Narendra Modi, Arjun Munda, Smriti Irani, Pratap Sarangi. The correct answer here is Arjun Munda. Option B is correct here. Arjun Munda, the Union Tribal Minister, has been inaugurated a Tribes India showroom. A Tribes India showroom. Okay, you can see the image of the Tribes India showroom here. Next question. Who has released a book titled Gastric Cancer? Jitendra Singh, Dr. Ashok K. Vaid, Rajnath Singh, Dr. Harshvardhan. The correct answer here is Jitendra Singh. Option A is correct here. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister, has released a book on cancer named Gastric Cancer, and it is edited by Dr. Ashok K. Vaid. It is edited by Dr. Ashok K. Vaid and it is released by Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister. You can see the image of Jitendra Singh here launching the book Gastric Cancer. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Tourism Ministry partner with whom to promote tourism? TAAI, FLO, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The correct answer here is both A and B. Option C is correct here. Both the Ministry of Tourism, the Ministry of Tourism has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Travel Agent Association of India. Abbreviation of TAAI is Travel Agents Association of India, and FLO FCCI Ladies Organization. Okay, with primary objective, the primary objective of the MOU is women empowerment. Women empowerment is the primary objective of this MOU. Okay. Next question. Which country successfully launched a remote sensing satellite? Brazil, Australia, China, America. The correct answer here is China. Option C is correct here. China successfully launched a new optical remote sensing satellite from its Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center northwest of China. Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center, the northwest of China. China is in news. The capital of China is Beijing, and the president of China is Xi Jinping. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Arunachal Pradesh government will provide 100% tap water connection to household by which year? 2021, 2022, 2023. Sorry, and it will be 2024. It will be 2024. Okay. The Arunachal Pradesh government. The correct answer here is 2023. Okay, 2023. Arunachal Pradesh government will provide 100% tap water connection to all the household in the state by 2023. Okay, and it is under the center's Jal Jeevan Mission. Jal Jeevan Mission. Okay, it is misprint. One should be changed 2024. Okay, but the correct answer here is 2023. I hope you got the answer now. Arunachal Pradesh is in news. So the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Itanagar is the capital here. Pema Khandu is the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, and Brigadier B.D. Mishra is the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. This is our last question. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Okay, our first question is, which city became India's cleanest city according to Swachh Sarvekshan 2020? Our second question is, what is the rank of India in digital quality of life index 2020? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby a regular practice is done by you. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visiting educational link, please try to subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. If you like it, then share in the educational related group. Thank you. Have a great day.